What if I told you there's a way to build a $10,000 a month business without picking up a mop, buying expensive tools, or working long hours yourself? Most people think a cleaning business means scrubbing floors, sweating through endless jobs, or fighting for underpaid gigs. That's the old model. The truth is, there's a smarter way. And it's called eCleaning Arbitrage. This course is designed to show you how to run a cleaning business remotely using systems, automation, and contractors who do the actual work. That means you're the business owner, not the cleaner. eCleaning Arbitrage gives you the blueprint to build a cleaning company that feels more like an online business than a labor job. You don't need prior experience. You don't need to invest in equipment. And you certainly don't need to exhaust yourself with manual work. Instead, you'll learn how to structure a business that generates consistent leads, hires reliable cleaners to handle the jobs, and uses virtual assistants and automation to keep everything running smoothly in the background. This isn't theory. These are the exact strategies that have scaled cleaning businesses to 6 and even 7 figures worldwide, with owners spending just a few hours a week overseeing the operation. Inside the course, I walk you through every step of building this business from the ground up. From choosing the right niche that allows you to charge premium prices to designing a simple but powerful online presence that attracts clients. I'll show you how to price your services the smart way, so you're not just busy, you're profitable. You'll discover how to recruit trustworthy contractors who do the cleaning while you focus on growth. And most importantly, you'll learn how to set up systems and automation so that the business doesn't rely on you being glued to it every day. The benefit? You get a business that gives you time freedom and financial independence. Imagine waking up to new client bookings, seeing jobs completed without you lifting a finger, and having steady income hit your account every month. That's the power of this model. Now you might be wondering, there are other courses out there, so what makes eCleaning Arbitrage different? Most courses teach you how to be a better cleaner or how to hustle harder in a low-paying business model. This one flips the script. You're not learning to do the work. You're learning to own the system. This course was built on proven, real-world strategies that have helped cleaning businesses expand into multiple cities, generating over $1 million in revenue, while the owners work just a couple of hours a week. It's not about adding more work to your life, it's about building an asset that works for you. That's why eCleaning Arbitrage stands out. It's not teaching you to trade your time for money. It's teaching you how to create freedom. So picture this, running your business from your laptop, whether you're at home, in a cafe, or traveling. Having the flexibility to set your own schedule. Knowing you're building something sustainable that pays you month after month without burning you out. This isn't just about money, it's about freedom. Freedom to live life on your own terms, to spend more time with family, to finally step away from the grind and do work that creates opportunity, not limitation. That's what eCleaning Arbitrage offers. Now the only question is, are you ready to take control? Click the link, join the course today, and let me show you step by step how to build a cleaning business that makes $10K a month, needs no tools, no experience, and no sweat. I'll see you inside.